Alright, I wanted to do a quick review of this robust tool rest. It is exactly 6 inches long. It's got the 1-inch shaft on it, so it fits most lathes without any problem. You can see compared to the one I had on here now that's way bigger. It goes right in the same hole, lines right up, super easy, super strong. I like the curve on it, and I also like the piece of hardened steel that's right across the top of here and welded in. What I use it most often for is pen turning. So you can see if this was in the chuck, it's about the exact same length as my mandrel when I'm doing pen turning. So once again, if you're on the fence or looking for a tool rest, Robust is the name brand, and I would definitely recommend going with that. I can't speak for any of the other ones off brand, but Robust is a great name, and you'll get a good tool.